Hello everyone! I'm going to cook shrimp fried rice. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Asian Cooking with MG and Vlog. I hope you have a wonderful day. Like, share, and comment to the subscriber who subscribe me and support me and play my video. Thank you very much. Please share to your friends. Bye. See you. How are you doing? I hope you have a wonderful day and night. So, I'm going to make shrimp fried rice. These are the ingredients. So this is carrots with peas. These are the ingredients, and those I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil,
the garlic, going to add the garlic and the onions, and mix it well. So now the shrimp. Shrimp fried rice. So 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I just put half. And shrimp powder. Mix it well. And then the vegetable. And simmer it.
now I'm going to check
The shrimp fried rice. So now the red pepper. So steam again. Now I'm going to open and need to separate some of the shrimp here, so I can put my rice. So now the rice. One tablespoon of soy sauce. Oil. 1 tablespoon. And mix it well. Let us try the shrimp fried rice. Yummy. Harap guys.
1 teaspoon of salt. There.
Mix it well. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Asian Cooking with MG and Vlog. I hope you learn today another my recipe. Please share to your friends, leave comments and likes. Thank you for support and subscribe my channel. You have a good day and night. And try again. It's yummy now. So the fried rice is done. I'm going to put this on the plate. I'm going to fried rice on the plate. The shrimp fried rice. It's very easy, guys. Smells sesame oil. Ingat.
This is the last. That's scallion or just for decorating. So please don't forget to subscribe. Asian Cooking with MG and Black. So this is my shrimp fried rice. Thank you for watching. I hope you learn again.